Okay guys, welcome again. New method on how to make money online. In this quick video, I will share with you how you can reduce the rate of you buying data and also selling data on this website and earn a lot of money. So for this video, what I want to share with you now how to reduce the data rate, because I know say data they very costly. Now how can you now reduce the amount to buy data and also make money by selling data for others? Join me as I walk you through on this journey on how to buy data in a cheaper rate and also sell for people to earn a lot of money. So now, which website are we going to make use of? We are going to make use of the website called VTUway.com. Over here you can say welcome to VTU Way, a technology platform that offers solutions to digital needs at the best possible price without compromising quality. Over here you can see register, login. So before we register or before we log in, let's go down and see what this website, make we know what this website they stand for, make we know how we go take buy the data, make we know how we go take sell the data, how we take make money for this website. You can see it's the best platform for automated VTU service. This VTU means virtual top up. Everything about this website is automated. You know they waste time. Now sharp as you they click, you they receive. If you buy time, as you click buy, now so they receive alert say okay, you don't buy data. If now data is automated, everything about this website is automated. Now let's just scroll down and see more about this website. You can see they will provide awesome service. They provide awesome service on this website. Become an agent. You can see they join our network of outstanding entrepreneur partnering with VTU Way. Bring the VTU easy payment experience closer to your network and earn a commission, so on and so forth. So this website is a website, and okay, down here you can see it said they have 2,182,000 registered users already. People who registered with this website now there are over 2,000 people. 2,000 people already registered already. That means 2,000 people they use this website, they reduce the rate so that they buy data. And why some also they say they use and they make money because they sell for others, they make money for this website. You say happy clients, 1,721,000 people who say they are happy for this website now because they are happy because they are not client. But I can say not being users, years of experience. Now this one now makes sense, but years of experience, 5 years plus. That means this website now website don't say you don't stand on your own. Those website will say you go quick fold up. Maybe you can't deposit money. It is maybe by tomorrow if you wake up one contract click open and again it's not go open. This website don't stay more than 5 years now. That means guy you can make money from this website because a lot of people are making money from this website since the last 5 years to this time now. So make sure you register to this website and start making your own money. Guys, this is the magic over here. You can see over here they say your 1 gig is 245 naira, which is for 30 days. Your 2 gig is for 490 for 30 days, so on and so forth. The same year with Airtel, Glo and 9 Mobile. Just calm down. I will show you how you now will use this website to make money. No, because okay now you don't know the price already. You can go register. I'll start to make my own money. Wait, because there are some things that you need to know. Just make sure you watch this video until the very end so that you won't miss out any tips about you using this website to make money every single day as a Nigeria. Now, let me see something first. Let me see something. Over here you can see MTN say they are 1.5 gig now 1,000 naira. They are 2 gig now 1,002. They are 3 gig now 1,500. Let me see the website again. How much be their own 2 gig and 3 gig and 1 gig? Maybe we see them. And maybe we can change. Maybe we can go to use and make money while using this strategy that I'm sharing with you. Now, there's okay 2 gig now 490, and MTN say their own 2 gig is 1,002. Their 3 gig is 735 naira. Let me see the 3 gig for MTN plan. Let me see them. Let's see 3 gig. Okay, 3 gig is 1,005. You can use this website to reduce the rate of you buying data. Now you don't see now say to buy 2 gig now just 490 you need to buy 2 gig, maybe 1,002 again, and your 3 gig now 735 naira, maybe 1,500 again. Is it not amazing? It's amazing. Now how can we now use this website to make money. You now, let's for example, you have a friend, you have a brother, you have a sister, and you have a social media account, you have your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, so on and so forth. Now, how can you use this website to make money with all those platforms? Now, your own now, not to just paste for your status, not to just share all those things for your Facebook or all your social medias. You say, okay, now I sell data in a cheaper rate. Everything I sell there 2 gig, 1,200. Me, I will sell for now 1,000 naira. And over here, how much are you buying it over here? You are buying it 490 naira. That means you earn almost 510 naira for each person you buy this 2 gig for. Let's for example, you sell for 10 people, guy, you don't make over 5,000 naira from this strategy that now I'm revealing to you right now. So guys, this website is worth doing, so and so forth. So over here, the same is applicable to Airtel, Glo, and Nine Mobile. Just make sure that you work this strategy out and start making money online. If you want to enter to this website, the link will be linked on the video description below. All you have to do is to go and click the link, and they will show you small form. They say you will just fill this type of form. They will show you, and you will just fill them. Over here, say your full name, your username, your email address, your phone number, your own address, this referral username. Now be that link where you click. So if you click, I'm no need of putting it over here. So you go there and get your password, you confirm your password, and you read their terms and conditions. If you don't agree, you say okay, yes, this website now good website for you. They say you will fit make money. They say you feel register, you tick the box and click on sign up. After I don't fill the form and click on register, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Alright, you can see their welcoming name. It said welcome to VTU Way. So refer people to VTUway.com and get 2% of their first payment. Note, it's capped at 100 naira per user. If you don't register, use this your referral link to refer anybody. They'll give you 2% of the person first payment. Now over here, now how can we now buy the data for ourselves and also buy for other people? Let's go down and see. Okay, let's for example, you want to buy data for yourself. You click on this buy data over here. When you click on this buy data, they will show you this little form that you are going to fill in correctly, so that you don't go do the same go buy data for another person. You click on the network where you want to buy. Is either MTN, Glo, Nine Mobile, Airtel. Now let's for example, we want to buy MTN data. You click on this MTN data plan. Okay, maybe we use this corporate gifting. Maybe we see them. Yeah, you put the phone number. Let's for example, you want to buy airtime for this phone number. Okay, and you select the plan that you want. If not 2 gig you won't buy, if not 1 gig you won't buy, you will buy. If not 2 gig, if not 3 gig, if not 5 gig. Okay, if I want to buy this, let's say 3 gig, you click on this 3 gig, and the amount here is 780 naira, and MTN are selling their own 3 gig 1,500 naira. So now you are buying it 780 for a year. This one now you won't buy for yourself, so that you won't give the rate, so that you no go waste money for data too much like that. Now here is a 780. After that, you click on this bypass my number validator and you click on buy now. When you click on buy now, they will show you say truly you won't buy data for this number. Say me you confirm, and if you go say yes, you won't buy data for her, you will just click on continue. They will give you your data direct. That's why they say your data is what automated. Now sharp, you know, the delay at all. Or even the airtime also. If you want to buy airtime for yourself, you click on buy airtime. Oops, they say wallet below minimum vending amount. So that means I never put money for this account. So, and how can you now deposit money on this website so that you can start reducing the rate of you buying data and also buying data for others, or even airtime for others? All you have to do is to scroll down and you will see fund wallet. You click on this fund wallet over here. If you look carefully, you will see it says fund with paystack ATM, fund with payment gateway ATM, automated bank transfer. Me, I like this automated bank transfer, but they get charges. So is it automated bank transfer 15 naira charge? They will charge you 15 naira. That means if you deposit 2,000 naira for this website, now 1,950 naira now you will get. Now you can see the account. Let me say now my own account be this, so this one will be your own, my own account. So no go copy this account number and deposit money. If you deposit money from this for inside this account, now my wallet will go appear. So if you click your own tool, they'll give you your own account number. This is my own account number. My account number, this is it, and account name is this is it also. So all you have to do is to deposit your money, and the charge of 15 naira will be deducted from the money you deposited, so on and so forth. You can see my wallet balance is 0, my referral bonus is 0, my total referral 0, so on and so forth. And those are the things. I said airtime top up, you buy airtime for yourself, you make money, and you buy for others also, you will still make money. You buy data for yourself, you make money. You buy for others also, you make money. So guys, this website is here to stay. Just go ahead and click on that link on the video description and sign up to this website and start making that money online. The question I will say you will need to ask me now, okay, how I go to get people who say they will follow me, they buy this airtime, will they follow me, they buy this data. Now so you do this and you will make money online. You now will register, go for the answer, say I don't register, finish, so the money I expect now. No, online also is not like that. You have to think beyond what you see. So now you have to tell people about this, that bros, I'm selling data, bros, I'm selling airtime in a cheaper rate. So you still post that for your WhatsApp status, even your Facebook. You will write and say, okay, I sell data in a cheaper rate. MTN are selling their 2 gig 1,200, but me, I will sell my own 1,000 naira, and people will be very, very happy, and they will patronize you quickly, so on and so forth. Guys, don't hesitate, go and register to this website and start making your money. I don't want this video to be more longer than this. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. Until we meet again, until then, I say bye bye for now. But before you go, I beg, sure you don't like the video, but if you don't like it, if you go, but if you never like it, or if you never subscribe, I beg, wait, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Thank you guys, see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye for now. Peace, I love you.